Welcome to Art's Backyard. We're watching the sparrows getting a little bit of bird seed. We just had a big snow yesterday. Put some seed out there on the step where it's dry for them. They're over here in the, what do you call it, the garden area, even though you can't tell it. My wife has a little planter hanging in there, and they get down in there where the snow didn't get to it and have some seed too. Seem to be really enjoying that plate. If you enjoy these bird videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for stopping in and checking out the birds in Art's Backyard.